All right, we're continuing our drive. Going to go down Vine Street, I believe, here. FSD now. Got a nice sunny day here in Cincinnati. It's a continuation of the previous ride. Difficult. We got totally blind to the left. I can kind of see to the right. I think FSD. Okay, we clear to the left, clear to the right, clear to the left. And it's going to go. Okay. That was probably a challenge for it, but pretty sweet. It does feel extremely slow. We got a right blinker, which we should not be. We should not be in this right lane. We need to get out of this lane. Okay, we got left blinker going back. That was not really good. Okay, we got police lights, more construction work up here. So it should just continue going slow. Continue going slow. Got a bus here. Okay, it's gonna just squeeze through that. I just kept going. It did all right. I'm gonna give it a sweet. I was holding tight on the wheel though. Had a very short leash for it. Okay, now we're going too slow here. We should be able to just roll this. It's uncertain about the road. Alright, let's see how it negotiates this turn coming up. Now we got blinkers going. Blinkers should not be blinking at this point because we are just essentially going straight on a very curvy street through this older part of Cincinnati. Alright, it's getting in the wrong lane. Get back, get back. Okay. Don't know why it wanted to get over there. Now we got a right turn signal on. Okay. And we're going to go down this one way. That was nice. Okay, we'll give it this lane. That's good. Alright. We're going to make a left turn at this light, and then we'll call it a day. Not bad. Left on red here. It's going to be too much traffic to test that, although this car's going to do it. Because we are right on red state, and this is a left from a one-way to a one-way, which also you can do on red. It's not going to do it. It's just going to sit here. I'm going to let it sit. Okay. Got the yellow arrow, nicely done. Okay, we got the truck here. All right, pulling over. I'm probably going to have to end the route. See if it will keep going. Okay, nicely done. Nicely done. It's going up to the light here. It's a very odd here. Right, doesn't know where to stop, but we're going to end it here and score this. That was not bad.